How to fill in a business detail questionnaire. Welcome to my channel. This is Payoneer. So what we'll do, we'll go to the settings page. Once we go to the setting page, we'll come to the verification center. Once we come to the verification center, we can see that there is a required document that is supposed to be submitted, which is the business detail questionnaire. What is the problem? Well, we have received your card order. Just provide more details and your card will be on its way. I'll be told to submit. To understand your business needs, we need additional information. Answer a few questions about your business. What do you mainly use Payoneer account for? I use Payoneer to receive payments from customers, to pay suppliers, to accept credit card, to receive payments from customers. So select the category that best describes your business. So my business. So I am a YouTuber, full-time YouTuber. So I preferred selecting transition and content services. That is where my niche of services that I offer, because I create content. So it tells me provide an URL of your business website or web page. I'll come to I'll pick one of my Facebook accounts, trending updates. I can see this is my business where I've been posting videos. So I'll pick that URL. Once I pick that URL, I will go back and post it. That is the URL that I'll be posting. It tells us there are some tips. If the website or the page is on the hosted platform enters a full web address, enter the full web address of your business storage, or for example, www.amazon my store stroke Facebook my business username existing. So I've provided the whole URL as instructed. We can see this is the instructed. You put www.facebook.mybusiness. This is my business, and username Payoneer continues telling you, if you work for a company, enter the company website URL. If you are a freelancer, provide the URL of the web page where your service are described. For example, a freelancer platform profile page, personal website, or a LinkedIn profile LinkedIn profile page. So for freelancers, you also have some they have really described the URL that they want to post. If you are in process of opening an online store or a marketplace site, and don't yet have a full store, provide us with the URL of the marketplace in general for now. We'll contact you to receive more details. Do not provide a URL or website that is offline or under construction. So I provided a functional URL. So it tells me what is the connection to the website you provided. I don't own the website. I co-own it. I operate it. Others. So I'll put others. They tell us describe your connection to the website. So the connection that I have to the website that I provided. This is a website that I provided. This is the website that I've been posting content. I've been posting videos on a daily basis. You can see May 22nd. I have been posting videos. This is my website. I will come here in Payoneer and explain to them. It is a Facebook page where I posted video content that I made for my viewers to watch, then in return consume my created web content. Does your business have additional website? I'll say yes. It tells me provide the URL of the additional website. I'll go now provide the Facebook link. What is your connection with the website provided? I'll come and say I don't own it, I co-own it, I don't operate it. I'll put others. I'll come and say that it is a Facebook page where I post content that I make, and in return and in return consumers are able to get my content. So I will say that does your business have additional website? Yes, provide the URL of the website. I'll come here. This is the channel that I operate on now in another site that is on YouTube, and the other site is on Facebook. This is the Facebook page. So we can see it's one and the same thing. So I'll come here and say that provide the URL of your businesses and additional websites. So what is your connection with the additional website? I don't own it. I don't co-own it. I don't operate it. Others. So I'll be able to explain. Describe your connection with the additional website. So they'll tell us after I say describe your connection of to the additional website provided. It is a YouTube channel that I post the same created videos to access a larger viewership audience, but in the same brand at trending updates. Tell us how your business operates, who are your customers, and what are they paying for. Tell us how your business operates. I'm creating and posting videos as a content creator. So second question, who are your customers? My customers are the viewers who come and listen to my educative content. What are they paying for? YouTube and Facebook pays me as I have impacted the lives of my customers, who are my viewers who come to listen and watch to my educative content. In what region does the majority of your business activity take place? So I will say that I'll say is in Africa. What is your business average total monthly volume of incomes plus outgoing points? So I will say, what is your business average monthly volume of incoming plus outgoing points? So I'll say it is from the whole month transactions are less than $5,000 on average. How many payments do you typically receive each month? So I receive 0 to 20 per month, and now I'll have the chance to submit. Once I submit, I'm sure let me check what is not okay.